Good grammar is essential for clear communication. It helps us understand each other. When we use grammar correctly, our messages are clear. This is important in everyday conversations and in writing. Good grammar is especially important in formal settings. This includes job interviews and presentations. Using correct grammar shows professionalism. It can help you make a good impression. Let's look at some basic grammar rules. Nouns are words that name people, places, or things. For example, teacher, school, and book are nouns. Verbs are action words. They tell us what someone or something does. Teach, learn, and read are examples of verbs. Adjectives describe nouns. They tell us more about the noun. Smart, interesting, and heavy are adjectives. Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They often end in a sly, quickly, carefully, and very are examples of adverbs. Good grammar ensures clear communication. For instance, consider the sentence, "The dog bit the man." If we change the grammar to "the man bit the dog," the meaning changes completely. Correct word order and proper use of verb tenses are crucial for conveying the intended message. Using the right punctuation also aids understanding. A period indicates the end of a sentence, while a question mark signifies a query. Commas separate items in a list or clauses in a sentence. Proper punctuation prevents misinterpretations and ensures smooth reading. Improving your grammar takes practice. Reading regularly exposes you to correct grammar usage. Pay attention to sentence structure and word choice. Try to incorporate what you learn into your own writing. Writing regularly also helps improve grammar. Start with short pieces and gradually work your way up. Focus on using correct grammar rules. You can also try grammar exercises online or in workbooks. These exercises provide targeted practice and help you identify areas for improvement. Remember, consistent effort is key to mastering grammar.